Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of oral care with the Philips Sonicare Genuine G3 Premium Gum Care Replacement Toothbrush Heads. These sleek black heads are designed to fit all Philips Sonicare clip-on rechargeable toothbrush handles, making them a versatile choice for your dental hygiene routine. As the #1 recommended power toothbrush brand by dental professionals, Philips Sonicare is clinically proven to reduce gum inflammation by up to 100% more than a manual toothbrush in just 2 weeks when used in gum health mode. Imagine achieving up to 7 times healthier gums compared to using a manual toothbrush, thanks to the advanced technology embedded in these brush heads. The precision-engineered bristles effectively target plaque and improve gum health, ensuring a superior clean every time. Upgrade your oral care routine with the Philips Sonicare Genuine G3 Premium Gum Care Replacement Toothbrush Heads and experience the difference in your gum health. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier smile. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.